안녕하세요. Hello K-friends, I have a great news. We have finally reached 50,000 subscribers on Chong's K-food channel. This is all thanks to your interest, love, and unwavering support. Please continue to love Chong's K-food channel. Today I want to introduce a hearty steamed pork belly kimchi roll, a true comfort food for Koreans. I'm sure you will love it. Shall we make it together? How to make anchovy broth. Add about 3 cups of water. Add a handful of grated anchovies. If you have a kelp, add 3 small pieces. Boil for about 10 minutes. This broth will be used later. Preparing the pork belly. The pork belly is originally long, but I cut it in half. Add half tablespoon of garlic to the meat. Add about half teaspoon of ginger. Add 1 tablespoon of cooking wine. Mix well for seasoning and let it rest for 10 minutes. Vegetable preparation. Slice the onion thickly. Slice about 2 green onions diagonally. Slice 1 red chili pepper thinly. How to cut shiitake mushrooms for a hot pot or stew. Remove stems and clean it with a wet kitchen towel. Make a slight cut on one side, then following that cut, slice diagonally in one direction. Do the same for the other directions. This will create a star shape. Repeat the process on the other side. Doing this makes the dish look more appetizing. Making the sauce. In a bowl, add about 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Add 1 teaspoon of doenjang. Add half tablespoon of gochujang. Add half cup of kimchi juice. Mix well. Wrapping kimchi. Use well-fermented kimchi. Spread each kimchi leaf and place a slice of pork belly on top. Then roll it. This way, the pork gets the flavor of the kimchi and looks appealing. Repeat for the rest. Once done, transfer them to a pot. First, place the sliced onions at the bottom of the pot. Place the pork belly wrapped in kimchi on top. Make sure the end of the kimchi wrap is at the bottom of the pot to prevent it from unraveling. Add mushrooms, red chili pepper, and some green onions. Boiling. Pour in the prepared sauce. Pour about 2 cups of the boiled anchovy broth. Cover and boil over medium heat for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, wow, it smells so appetizing. Adjust the seasoning with the salt or fish sauce if needed. How to eat. When eating, cut it in half with the scissors. The combination of the meat's savory flavor and kimchi is perfect. Serve with some broth and eat with rice. It's absolutely delicious. Let me try the broth. Wow, such a deep flavor. When eating kimchi roll, it's also great with a savory egg roll. How was today's video? Just steamed pork belly kimchi roll and rice make a great meal. Why not try it this weekend? If you like the video, please hit like and subscription button. Thanks for watching. I will see you next time. 감사합니다. 안녕히 계세요. Bye bye.